program. So I want to count the number of vowels, consonants, numbers, special characters in the given string. So this is another interview question. So what we need to do? We have to find out so in the given string, what are the different number of vowels are there, consonants are there, and so let me write the code. Static void count vowels, consonants, special characters, numbers, right? So that is the string yes. So what is this? Write a program. Write a program to check number of vowels, number of consonants, numbers, and the special characters in given string. In given string. So how can we count it? So first print the string. String value is, and yes. The next step immediately. So you want a different counts, right? Declare them as initially 0. So V count 0, C count 0, and N count so 0, and special char count 0. So whatever you want, you can just try it out. That's it. Okay. So you want uppercase letter separately, but anyhow, that is one letter only, it will be considered, and then we're writing such kind of logic. So first iterate the string. So all for loop only. Iterate the string using for loop, index based for loop. So index based for loop means this one, int I equal to 0 and I less than str s dot length and I plus plus. So here you can start if, right, if s dot caret of I is equal to, first I'll check a or s dot caret of I is equal to capital A or s dot caret of I is equal to AE, right? Next E, or s dot caret of I, so is equal to capital E, or s dot caret of I is equal to AEI, right? Next I s dot caret of I dot caret of I, equal to capital I s dot caret of I is equal to AEIO. So next small o s dot caret of I is equal to capital O, and s dot caret of I AIOU. IOU. So s dot caret of I. So we can put is equal to U. If it is, so what we need to do? Just increment the, so we count by 1. So increment the we count by 1. So we count plus plus. Right? Else if. See that again you are getting control structures. So loops, conditional statements are crucial for any logic. Again, s dot caret of I is greater than A, so is greater than A, or s dot caret of I is greater than or equal to single quotes. I think it's greater than or equal to. Say and s dot caret of and s dot caret of I is less than or equal to Z, or s dot caret of I is less than or equal to capital Z. So in between that, if it is there, so what you can do? Increment the C count by 1. So C count plus plus. Else if, so s dot caret of I, so is greater than or equal to 0, and s dot caret of I is less than or equal to 9, then increment the n count by 1. Else, increment the special character count by 1. So this is the total code. You can check that everything. So how do you check that? It's the character is well. If it is falls under this category, it will come to this block. If not that, it will come to this. So A or I'll just put this in one bracket so that it will be easy. So those two will be evaluated based on this and based on this. Okay. So let's see and print all the. So where is the for loop? Method ending is missing. Yeah, method ending here. So let's see, it's easy, lines. It will show, see line, this line is this one. And this line is this one. Method line is this one. So easy to catch that. System dot out dot println. So vowels count is plus v count. And consonants count plus c count. And what is the other one? Numbers count. Yes. N count. Special gas count is plus special character count. So let's call the method. Yeah. So count and one I'm giving Java J2E and is one. Okay, so that's the simple given. Let's count is correct or not. Okay. So vowels count is 6. Let's count 1, A, 2 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Consonants count is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So numbers count is 1, only 2. Special characters count is 2. See, exclamatory mark, this one, whatever I have. So you give anything, it will count. Yep. So that's how you can check given character is. So having how many vowels, how many consonants, numbers, and the special characters. Any questions before going for the next program? Okay. So our next program is so I want to check given 2 strings are anagrams or not. What we need to do? We need to check given 2 strings are anagrams or not. So next one. Private static void check anagrams. So what we need to do, we need to check given two strings are anagrams. What is meant by anagrams? First, let's understand this. Right? Write a program to check. So given two strings are anagrams or not. So what is meant by anagrams? What is meant by anagrams? Anagrams means, so you have to use the S1 characters and frame S2 characters. S2. S2 and S1 length should be same. Same characters, you reshuffle them. So rearrange them and get a new word. One string, characters you reframe and try to get a new string. So that is what the anagrams means. So anagrams, so that's what the, you have to use one string characters and reframe it. Rearrange the characters, shuffle them and get the new string. So that is called anagram characters. Both are anagram strings. If one is, rearranging and getting a new string with the same characters, but length also same, then that is called anagrams. Okay. So like that, and you can check how many, anagrams are there in the, so you can frame your own anagrams also, or you can just see some anagrams. What are the different? Logic is first you have to convert into one type of format, either lowercase or uppercase. Convert them into lowercase first. Okay, convert them into lowercase. So, and you can see, so once you convert into lowercase, and then check their length are same or not. So their lengths are same or not. These are steps, algorithmic steps to solve this problem. And once you check it, and if it is same, and you can say both are anagrams. If it is not same, and you say both are not anagrams. Both strings are not anagrams. And suppose you take a one example. Okay, let's take one example. So for example, string one is ABCD, right? And let me write S1 equal to ABCD. S2 equal to, you have to reframe this. Like I can reframe DABC, right? DABC. So now see the first length, first condition. Length is same, right? So same characters I am rearranging and got another string. So these two are the anagrams. Next, one more thing you can see, cat and cat. So anagrams, right? Both are anagrams. So this is how you can check whether these are anagrams or not. Okay. So let's go and write all the steps one by one. Okay. First, convert them into one format. The strings into lowercase. Okay. So S1 dot to lowercase. And I will assign to S1. S2, S2 dot to lowercase. Sorry, S2. Then check the condition. If S1 and S2 are same, right? If length is same, if S1 dot length is not equal to S2 dot length, then you can tell that both are not anagrams. S1 and S2 are not. S1 plus and S2 are not anagrams. Else, so what you can do? Simply first, so convert them into character array. Convert them into character array. How can you convert the string into character array? How can you convert the string into character array? Which method you need to use? My God. Very basic. Then you are not reading. Okay. So character array, S1 array equal to S1 dot to char array. Same caret S2 array. So equal to S2 dot to char array. See, we got a S1 array and S2 array. Now next step is sort the both arrays using arrays class sort method. So arrays dot sort. So you can just give array name S1 array. Same you do arrays dot sort S2 array. So now we sorted all the characters will be in the same order. If compare both arrays. How to compare both arrays? There is a equals method. Compare both arrays using equals method. Equals method of arrays class. Arrays class. So S1 arrays dot equals method. See, you have to pass arrays, two arrays you need to pass. So I'm going to pass S1 array, comma, S2 array. So if it is no, both are equal, then you can simply print them. So both are S1 and S2 are anagrams. So else you can say are not anagrams. Not anagrams. That's it. So call the code, check anagrams. So I can take cat act. Well, give lowercase, okay? Act. See, these two cat and act are anagrams. So you try act 2, right? First of all, length itself not same. Cat and act 2 are not anagrams. So this is how it will check. You give anything, it can check whether those are anagrams or not. Okay, yeah, still one more program is pending. Can we finish that? One or two programs are there, yeah.
I'm okay with Ramesh. I mean, I said I'm okay with that. Remaining minutes.
Okay. So we need to swap given two strings. Okay. So how can you swap? How can you swap given two strings? Okay, so the next program, let's write. So write a program to swap given two strings. So swap two strings means what? S1, for example, I have a good morning. So one good and S2, so given morning. Okay, so this is the one. This is the before swapping. After swapping, so what it should become? S1 should become morning and S2 should become good. Okay, so this is the how you can check. So before swapping, S1 value is good, and now after swapping, S1 value morning and S2 value should become good. Okay, now let's write the program for this. So this is again, if you want to solve this, you need substring methods. It should be very good. Then only you can solve it. So if you want to solve this, you need substring methods, both. So first, let's write the method, okay? Public static void Method name, what do you want to give method name? So swap strings. So I'll give string s1, comma, string s2. String s1, comma, string s2. Now, if you see this, first step what you need to do is, step 1 is join both the strings and assign to s1. First string you assign. Join s1 and s2, then assign to s1. So s1 equal to s1 plus s2. That's the first step. Now second step, now, so what will happen it will be good morning, both one string you got them. So in the s1 you have a good morning, entire good morning. Now you extract s2, okay? Extract s2 from s1. So what is s? So s2, so good you need to get it from s1 and assign to, so s1, you can assign to s1, or whatever you want, you can. So this is the, so good is s1, right? Good is s1, and this you need to extract and assign to s2. So extract s1 or good, we just say good from s1 and assign to s2. So s2 equal to s1 dot substring of, so you have to write now logic. So what you need to do, only good you need. So total, so this length, right? Total length, s1 length, and so good morning you have here. So here you have good morning. In the total length, you reduce the s2 length, current s2 length. Automatically you will get it. So let's see, s1 dot length minus s2 dot length. Right? If you reduce that, you will get, right? So in the total s1, you are removing this morning length. So remaining, so you will get as a s2. Clear? Now, extract s1, extract selenium, right? That is morning. Morning from s1 and assign to s1. So now s1 equal to, so you have to get s1 dot substring. So what we want into s1, morning should come, right? So in the s1 you have already, so good morning. Then you got already here good. So then what you need to do is, so you have to get it. You have to get that value. So s2 dot length. So automatically you will get that value. So you can print here before swapping s1 and s2 value. Out dot. So if you are not getting, so you do one by one. Okay, first note down all of them. So then you can understand. Now say before swapping s1 plus s1, and S2 is plus S2. Now see here, now here you got a, I'm just explaining one more time. Good morning. Okay. So this is what S1 value now. So S1 value is good morning now. Now S2 what we are doing, see that. So this total length is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, this is the 10, okay? 10 minus S2 dot length. What is S2? Morning. So S2 is morning. And this one, 10 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're getting 3. That means 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. You're getting. So that's a perfectly you're getting, right? So good you are getting here. Now, so to get the S1, so in this S1, good morning is there. In the good morning, you are giving substring of 3. So 3 means 3 after whatever is there. So that you have to give. So and 0, 1, 2, 3 will be there. And you will get here 4, I think. You will get here 4, right? 4 length you will get. So 4 means that it starts with the morning. So the morning you are going to get it here. So that's the how to swap given 2 strings. So after swapping, you can just put after swapping S1 and S2. So just call this swap 2 strings. First string is Java. Second string is Ruby. Swap. Now execute the program. Okay, second one we didn't get, right? S2 we didn't get properly. Before swapping, S1 is this one. Oh, S1 we didn't get. So this came here to S1, but Java is not coming to Ruby. So what is the mistake we made? So we need to find out here. So first, S2 dot length in this. Let's understand here. Good morning. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many characters? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 characters. Into the 11, the first one, this is fine. Now this one. So S2 dot length means here S2 is morning. Morning, what is the morning length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're getting 7 here. 7 means, oh, 7 after it will get. So this one, this is not correct. We want first one. This should come here. The morning should come here.